I've got a 90-degree turn to then accelerate onto a fast road. All right, I'm gonna crawl out onto the road. There we go. Oh, I better get up to speed, hadn't I? Yeah, I'll do that now. Right then, so now up at the tyre place, going to swap the wheels over for the Canistos and see what it looks like. There we go, that's it. The wheel swap is done and I think it looks a whole lot better. What do you think? And funnily enough, it's running roughly the same horsepower as London's Cosworth. Give or take, but I'm going to chuck this on the dyno and find out, which will be really interesting. So, more on this car soon, and we'll see where we go with it. But like I said, let me know in the comments whether you think I should leave the interior as it is, whether I should turn it into a two-seater, because another option would be to, and don't call me crazy for saying this, but I was thinking if I got the side panels sorted out, I could actually do like a laminate floor, like a flatbed, right? So it could literally be a Volvo camper. So, bear with me, right? Hear me out. Imagine that these side panels were back on, or these side panels are not back on, but we carpet it with some nice luxurious carpet, right? And then storage underneath here, right? And then a nice high quality laminate floor all the way to about here, yeah? You still with me? And then you've got storage beneath, and that means you can rock up, just the two of you, in the summer, and camp in your Volvo. I reckon that would work. So, let me know in the comments what to do. Full interior, as in with everything and carpets, or just chuck the seats back in and be done with it, or Volvo camper, or any combination of those things. Tell me what you think I should do with this T5. But it is looking a lot better on those wheels. YouTube's most boring car channel.